Midea began its journey almost 60 years ago in 1968. Today, as a key player in the high-quality development of the global home appliance industry, Midea is committed to integrating with the world to inspire your future and aims to bring great innovations to life. Midea's new smart factory in Thailand, powered by Huawei and AIS, is a new intelligent air conditioner manufacturing base wholly owned by the GD Midea Air Conditioning Equipment Company Limited. This state-of-the-art factory, spanning 208,000 square meters and costing more than $140 million, is 36 kilometers from Thailand's largest deep-water port, Liam Chabang Port, and 80 kilometers from Bangkok. The Thailand factory is projected to have an annual production capacity of 5 million air conditioners, making it the largest base of its kind in both Thailand and Southeast Asia. Midea's Thailand factory has collaborated with Huawei to establish a novel 5G fully connected intelligent factory, leveraging AI, big data, and cloud platforms over 5G and Wi-Fi networks. 5G and Wi-Fi allow the real-time collection of production data from across the factory, and AGVs can independently transport materials to prevent unnecessary stacking. AI-based quality inspection employs AR remote collaboration and E2E digital spot checks to realize a first-pass yield of 99%. Thanks to 5G and AMR, raw material put away and removal in the stereoscopic warehouse can now be completed within 24 hours. This translates to a 55% increase in warehousing efficiency due to precise and dynamic operations, as well as seamless goods information flows without interruptions. The factory in Thailand integrates Midea Group's best practices in the industrial internet, automation, information technology, and lean logistics, combined with new technologies such as 5G and AI to achieve a global breakthrough in overseas manufacturing. With a focus on premium quality, flawless delivery, cost optimization, and green intelligence, the Thailand factory has pioneered an industry-leading model in home appliance manufacturing. It is the first in the sector to establish a cross-border ecosystem and digital system that integrates R&D, production, supply, sales, and services into a single platform. It is dedicated to creating an intelligent manufacturing factory that offers the best experience for overseas customers, providing high-quality products and services to consumers worldwide.
In Thailand, we actively embrace local culture, fostering cross-cultural collaboration among a diverse multinational team. At the same time, we have built a robust infrastructure that includes network platform, IDC, and server hubs. This has resulted in the creation of the region's first highly intelligent, fully digitalized and automated fifth-generation renewable benchmark factory. Together, we aim to build a shared responsibility community that drives industrial upgrades and innovation. Looking ahead, the intelligent factory will follow the Globe Lighthouse factory blueprint, intending its influence to other regions worldwide.